Example 7. At a school, 60% of students buy a school lunch. Only 10% of students buy a lunch and dessert. What is the probability that a student who buys lunch also buys dessert? Now, on this one, we're starting with what is the probability that a student who buys lunch? So we're not talking about all the students here. We're only, first of all, going from the pool of students who are buying a lunch, which tells us is 60%. So I know that my denominator is going to be, okay, well, I'm only talking about 60% of the students, so that's going to be my denominator of 0.60. Now, given that I'm working with those 60%, what's the probability that they're also going to buy a dessert? Well, 10% who already bought their lunch also buy the dessert, so my numerator is, well, then I'm dealing with that 10% who are also going to buy a dessert. This is going to give me 1/6, which is roughly 16.7% of students who buy lunch are also going to buy a dessert.